We got smacked on our butt because she shoved Landon.
I don't want to get out.
Are you going to be nice, Haley? Tell Landon you're sorry. Tell him. Say, I'm sorry, Landon. Tell him.
Well, don't fall. I got him.
You got him?
Yeah. I got Landon. Don't fall.
Hey, be careful.
Don't fall, don't fall. It's okay, Landon. I got you. I got you. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, okay. No, don't say that.
Hey, be careful. Kylie, you love Landon?
Yeah.
Is he your buddy? Uh-oh. Haley.
You pushed my Landon.
Don't do that. Do not do that. You don't hit. Kylie, you holding your brother?
Yeah, I'm holding her brother. Hey, my brother. You okay, brother? That's okay.
Okay, you guys are being too rough.
Take her, Mommy. I guess.
Okay, leave them like that, okay?
Oh, I got her. I got Landon.
Nana.
Don't fall.